Cheers. Let me walk you through the changelog. It's postponed this one. I wasn't able to record it last Saturday, so this is Monday right now, and I've already made some recent updates today for the Axis app. But let me walk you through those batch changes for each of the apps, like starting with Axis and continuing with joex. So as a summary for Axis, I've managed to fix 6 bugs and made 4 improvements or like developed 4 new features. Also did a minor style change, but for joex it's a bit simpler app, so there are just 2 new improvements slash features. So let's start with the Axis app right now that you can see also right here. On the screen of the Apple Watch that we can open through the complication that shows the current habit status for today. So this is the app. It's amazing, and what it allows you now is that there is a better crown handling in the history. So previously it was not working right. So I had to, so that there is single haptic feedback for a day change. So whenever you scroll through days, there is just a single vibration, right? When you change the day, there is no multiple vibration. It was not so UX friendly. So that's what I've improved. Also, like general stability improvements, right? So as I use the app from day to day, I notice things that could be improved. So I'm not gonna dive into more details here, but also there is a placeholder screen on the iOS right now. So I added that also to joex. So whenever you are making a test flight test with the user base, they have to install iPhone app despite Apple Watch app being a standalone one. So I just added the screen so that it can be approved for the test flight round by Apple. And also there is a single change that I did. So right now you don't see it, but whenever the next habit is optional, so you have the ability to select active days for each of the habits, and if you have an inactive day for next habit includes an evening reflection, and as part of it you check in with your daily mood. So if it's optional, you now also have the ability to check in with your mood. Right here, you can see the additional setting that's conditional based on the notification. So if notification is disabled, you don't see it, but if you enable it, you can actually additionally schedule a mood checking notification that fires on optional days. So for example, on Monday, Friday, Saturday, it's gonna be fired. So you're gonna receive a separate notification that navigates you to the mood check-in view, so you can save your mood to Apple Health without needing to go through the evening reflection that you usually go through, which is which the next habit is about, right? So yeah, and a couple of bug fixes. You can pause and see it here because we have 5 minutes limit for this video recording. So let's move on to joex app, which is a second app as a companion to my paper journaling routine. And here is just like 2 improvements slash features. First one being iOS placeholder screen, as I told you, that's required in order for app to be allowed while test flight. So beta testers can be invited, and the app can be distributed in the beta channel. Then there is of also like mindful session cancellation, right? So you can hold the pending mindful session, and a pop-up is going to be presented where you can cancel the session if you accidentally started, right? So you may not want to record it because it's really intuitive, right? It's really clicking, it starts the session. It should be low friction, but it can happen that you accidentally click it and you may want to cancel it. So, or something goes into way in your life, so you want to cancel. So that's the summary for the past 2 or 1 week actually, and stay tuned for more content like this if you want to hear more. Yeah, cheers.